Hi, I'm Janina and this is Janinigans. Today I am working with dried flowers. I don't know anything about pressing flowers, but at the beginning of the summer, around June, I just went in my backyard and I picked a bunch of different flowers. I stuck them in this book and pressed them for 3 or 4 months. And then it's been sitting around now for a while waiting to be used in a project. I bought a frame on Amazon. I might have gotten a little bit too ambitious and I ordered the largest size. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough flowers to fill this, but I'm gonna see what I can do with it. I don't want to get any finger oils on the glass. I'm gonna wear some gloves while I'm working with it. So this is a floating frame, which means that there's just two pieces of glass that are pressed together. And in theory, that means when I lay down my flowers, however I want to configure them, it should press hard enough where they won't move around. So I shouldn't need to use any sort of glue or anything like that in this. Oh, it's not actually glass. Styrene. What is styrene?
Styrene is a colorless, oily liquid that's used to make a variety of plastic and rubber products.
I see, so the front is glass, the back is styrene. This I'm gonna lay safely to the side so we don't get a bunch of hair and dust on it while we're working. Now I have to decide, do I want my picture to hang this way or this way? I think I'm gonna go with this way. This is the most exciting part. I actually get to take out the flowers that I pressed. Wow, I love that. That's beautiful. Ooh, pretty. I think this is lavender. Feeny. That's definitely not enough flowers to fill this frame, but my plan is that I'm going to start with these and then build this up over the years. Every time I press flowers, I'm going to add more to it. I really like this little sunflower weed thing. That's going to be the centerpiece, and you can see it's kind of got a front and a back, so I'm going to lay it down upside down, so that'll end up being the front. Maybe we'll surround it by some lavender. This one's also really pretty. We just make it kind of like as if that's growing out of there. These don't have stems, so we can kind of fake it a little bit. I do like this. Oh God. Maybe we can place this kind of down here. Maybe that was meant to go here anyway. Okay, stay there. Don't move. Place a couple more of these in here. And then I still have these that are pretty nice. Maybe I just kind of lay those over the back to fill in a little more. I think the hardest thing about this is working backwards and not being able to see what it looks like in the front until you're done. So it should just be a matter of getting the frame back on top without shifting this. We're just gonna place this backing back on here. I have a kind of an opportunity to look at it if I hold it. It's a little risky. Oh, that looks really cool. Okay. Let's get the back frame back on here. These guys go up, I think. Let's try that. No, because the lip is, I cannot for the life of me.
Hey, nope. Feels like there's a lot of space. I mean, it's just really loose.
Okay, what can we do?
Take your hot glue gun and just go.
What if we just put some like tape back here and to hold it at least?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Westifer. Kind of nervous about this. I think that's pretty cool. I actually didn't think I was gonna have enough flowers, but I think the minimalist look works. And then my plan is to keep adding flowers through the years and just completely fill it. So it'll go from minimalist to maximalist. I am super happy with how that turned out. Really fun, quick project. Only took about an hour, obviously, plus 6 months of pressing flowers, but the actual work itself was very fast and pretty creative because you can do all sorts of things with your pattern. Definitely recommend doing it. Probably not the best frame to use for pressed flower work, but I will link everything below so that you guys have that. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys next week.